Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Vivo V17. And Vivo V17 is powered by the Snapdragon 675 chipset with 8GB of RAM, while the Oppo F15 give you a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset. You guys requested this a lot, so without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And logo came up first, little bit faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo F15. And the Vivo V17 is running on Android 10 versus Android 9 Pie on the Oppo F15. And let's see who is faster there. And you can see that, and still Oppo F15 it is just a tiny bit faster when it comes to booting up, followed by the Vivo V17. I have to say, huge difference between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a beautiful display. We have a full HD Super AMOLED display with a punch hole camera on the right hand side, and you can see it is also really small on the Vivo V17, while the Oppo F15 give you a full HD AMOLED screen. And also we get a water drop notch on the Oppo F15, which feels outdated compared to a punch hole, and you can see. So now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. We have phone dialer, and you can see that is a little bit faster on the Oppo F15, followed by the Vivo V17. Settings, and that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Mic lock, again about the same. Calendar, and that is definitely faster on the Vivo V17. Amazon shopping on both phones, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that Vivo V17 it is faster there, while the Oppo F15 it is also done. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see it's absolutely smooth. The Instagram, and faster on the Vivo V17. Snapchat, and again exactly the same on both phones. The Twitter, and that is a little bit faster on the Oppo F15. Spotify, and again a little bit faster on the Oppo F15. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Zedge, and that is faster on the Vivo V17. And you can see at the end Oppo F15 it seems like a little bit faster there. Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much difference between a Snapdragon 675 versus a MediaTek Helio P70. And you can see Vivo V17 it is just a tiny bit faster there. Subway Surfer, and you can see that this full screen display looks incredible on the Vivo V17. And you can see that the Vivo V17 it is faster there. Now let's see the Temple Run 2, and that is faster on the Oppo F15 for some reason, because we have some background. The downloading, and last time I launched the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and that is faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo F15. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Vivo internet browser versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo F15. Wikipedia.org, and you can see exactly the same on both phones, maybe a little bit faster on the Vivo V17. Let's see the scrolling, feels absolutely smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the WWE.com, and you can see that Vivo V17 it is faster there, but at the end Oppo F15 it is faster there, and while the Vivo V17 is take a lot of time. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see that feels really smooth on both phones, no issue whatsoever. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones give you a 8GB of RAM. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, refresh. Mic lock, let's see the calendar. Amazon shopping, same result. Instagram, refresh. Let's see the Snapchat, that is refresh on the Oppo F15. Let's see the Twitter, and now let's see Spotify. Zedge, let's see the Candy Crush Saga. And you can see that Vivo V17 it is perform excellent in the RAM management, no issue whatsoever compared to the Oppo F15. Subway Surfer, and you can see refresh. Let's see the Temple Run 2, We are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that it's refresh on the Oppo F15 again. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Vivo V17 in game app loading time, but in system based application it is faster on the Oppo F15 because the animation feels faster on the Oppo F15 compared to a smooth animation on the Vivo V17 with Android 10. RAM measurement, it is absolutely incredible on the Vivo V17, but many applications refresh on the Oppo F15. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Vivo V17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.